Hey guys, good morning. I'm literally looking so crazy right now. But today I just thought I would do my 9 a.m. quarantine morning routine, show you guys what I really have been doing this quarantine and just kind of vlog it and show you guys what I've been up to. And so you guys know I have my braids and that's why I'm sleeping like this. Surprisingly, I've been getting up pretty early, like 9 a.m. 9 a.m. is early for me. This is my morning routine. Okay, come downstairs. I got a text to come downstairs, okay? So this is how I've been sleeping with my braids. Have this wrap situation with this satin scarf, and the braids are still holding up. I mean, to be honest, I'm kind of like tired of them. But yeah, they're not really irritating me at all. And everything's pretty much good with the braids, but it's just me more so like being bored. They're a little bit frizzy, but it's cool. Oh, what's all this?
Oh, there's some Chick-fil-A. Just wanted to surprise you.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Chick-fil-A? Wow, I hope it's the chicken minis though. Is it? Yes. Thank you.
Hungry, angry. Can't stop. It's like you live in a nightmare.
Just finished eating breakfast, and so I'm back upstairs. I'm gonna wash my face just so that I can, you know, start getting ready for the day. And then just really quickly, I'm just going to do my edges just to kind of fix them up and make my hair look a little bit neater. And just add a little bit of oil on my fingertips and kind of rub it in some of the parts. I just changed my shirt because today I gotta do a lot of cleaning and the shirt kind of has some bleach stains on here, so it's already kind of like messed up. But before I start cleaning, I'm actually gonna order some groceries because, you know, I haven't been feeling comfortable going to the grocery store. So I'm just gonna order some online. Sometimes it takes a few hours for them to come, so I feel like I'll be cleaning and then as soon as I'm done cleaning, the groceries will come, so it'll be like perfect. I need some butter, I need some spaghetti, I need some water. So now that the groceries have been taken care of, the main task that I really wanted to do today is to clean the kitchen. The kitchen looks bad. This is the before, which is really actually disgusting how this looks. So I'm gonna put on some music. Hey Alexa, connect my phone.
Now connected to Lisette's iPhone.
So for me, like being stuck inside, I feel like it's been hard because it's like I want to do things and I want to go places. And so what I like to do is just kind of like every day make sure that I'm having to do like one solid task, like one thing that I can feel like I'm being productive and that I'm getting something done, whether that means that that's a workout or whether that means filming a video, or like today, cleaning, doing the dishes, you know, just to feel like I'm really accomplishing something and getting something done, you know, like creating lists and really just marking things off once you accomplish them, just so that you can stay organized and stay productive, because I feel like it's really easy to fall into that really like unmotivated state, which I've kind of been in, but still just like making sure that you get at least something done is better than doing nothing. That's how I feel. That's basically like how I've been surviving this quarantine. just kind of doing like, you know, little things here and there. Just making sure I get some stuff done, you know? So I finally finished cleaning. Take off these gloves. And this is the final kitchen. And that's a wrap. All right, so I just finished cleaning. I'm super hungry right now. I ordered myself an acai bowl. Acai bowls have been my latest obsession. So I'm just gonna eat this and chill for a sec, maybe watch some TV. You want a bite?
Yeah.
So groceries were finally delivered. And so now we got some food. And I'm just gonna start putting everything away. And we are fully stocked with food. I like to buy things in bulk just so that I don't have to have like multiple trips to the grocery store. I can just have everything ready, especially like cans. So I feel like this is definitely gonna last me a while. Whew. I'm literally so sweaty right now because I was cleaning. I'm just gonna go through my journal and just write down some ideas, try to get things situated for the rest of the week. As you guys on my Instagram, a lot of you want to see more videos with the boyfriends, more vlogs. You also want to see more fitness videos. And so yeah, I'm just gonna finish writing up this list. You guys gave me like literally amazing ideas. And so I'm just gonna write down like a few ideas that I already had and also do like some brainstorming. And so I'm gonna end this vlog here. And if you like this video, please make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in my next one.